Welcome to the V0 aluminum frame assembly tutorial. V0 is the Viva door with an aluminum frame that disappears into the wall. Viva supplies the V0 frame already assembled and ready for installation in the wall compartment. This tutorial is dedicated to the assembly of the aluminum frame if it was requested unassembled. The aluminum frame is made up of two vertical pillars and an horizontal beam. The two vertical pillars are kept aligned by spacers. To start assembly, place the three elements, lock side pillar, hinge side pillar, and the horizontal beam on a work surface. Insert the aluminum bracket into the appropriate space inside the first pillar and the upper beam. Fix the inserted bracket with the two screws supplied. The vertical pillar and the horizontal beam are connected and secured. After having fixed the first vertical pillar to the horizontal beam, proceed with fixing the second vertical pillar, repeating the operation. Insert the bracket between the second pillar and the horizontal beam and secure it with the screws supplied. The aluminum frame is now assembled. Spacers must be inserted to keep the two vertical pillars aligned and avoid deformations during installation. Place the first spacer at the top of the frame, attaching it to the horizontal beam. Fix only one side of the spacer to the vertical pillar, inserting the supplied screws into the provided holes. Place the second spacer in the center of the vertical pillar. Fix only one side of the spacer to the vertical pillar, inserting the supplied screws into the provided holes. Place the third spacer 1 centimeter from the end of the vertical pillar. Fix only one side of the spacer to the vertical pillar, inserting the supplied screws into the provided holes. After fixing all the spacers on the first pillar, repeat the operation fixing all the spacers on the second pillar with the supplied screws. Check that the lower spacer is always 1 centimeter from the end of the vertical pillar. V0 frame is now assembled and ready for installation.